banana and broccoli in the kitchen today.
We got a cake to bake in a happy, happy way.
Banana grabs the sugar, broccoli gets the flour, Eggy rolls on over, this cake will have the power.
Mixing in the butter, stirring nice and slow,
With a wiggle and a giggle, watch that batter flow. Bake, bake, bake a cake with our friends, it's what we make. Sweet and warm, a yummy treat, banana and broccoli can't be beat.
Eggy cracks the eggs,
Toasty brings the cheer,
pineapple's got juice.
for everyone here.
Into the oven,
Let the magic begin.
we dance around the kitchen with a great big grin.
Bake, bake, bake a cake,
Bake it high,
with our friends, it's what we make.
give it a try.
Sweet and warm, a yummy treat, so sweet. Banana and broccoli can't be beat. Can't be beat.
Oh,
Can't be beat.
oh no.
Now the cake is ready, we put it on the plate. Everyone's excited, they just can't wait.
We cut
A slice for Eggy, one for Toasty too. Sharing with our friends is what we love to do. Eat, eat, eat the cake, laughing loud with every bite we take. Messy table, cream on cheeks, banana and broccoli's party peaks. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor, wash the dishes, close the drawer. Working together we